Hi, everyone. This is Emily from the Literacy Nest again. I wanted to um, continue on with our Getting Started with Wordless Builder series. So we'll call this one part 3. And I have a couple of tricks to show you in this one. I'll have more over time, just too much first. But I'm in my template that I just created back in part 2 for VCCV. And I wanted to point out something at the bottom. And that is the section called Sentences to Read. And this is where you can create your own sentences and type them in yourself. So think of this space as your own text box to type in whatever appropriate sentences you think they are. So if I put in the, oops, with caps lock on, the rabbit came in contact with the gremlin. And then let's say that space is a little too close, so I can double space it, do a second sentence. I can fit about 4 sentences there, I believe. It will probably go on to another page, though, when you preview it and print it out as a PDF. Sometimes it won't. It really depends on how many sentences you include. Okay, so I wanted to point that out. You can add in your sentences to read at the bottom of your templates for the word lists. I wanted to point out something in the templates if you chose to do words and phrases. So I'm going to go out of this template. I'll save it. It'll be saved. I won't lose it. Okay. I'll go into, let's go back to my folders. Okay. And I'll continue with VCCV so you know where I was coming from, and exporting template so you can see the choices. So that we were just in words, the word templates. So we're going to go to words and phrases templates. So there's that one. Over time, I will be adding more templates, but these are really just to get you started. Okay, I'm going to select all the words. Okay, and now it loads. Okay, so now if you see this, say, no, I don't want a header. Maybe you want the border, maybe you don't. I like the border. I'm going to keep it. Say you want the footer, maybe, maybe not. The footer is the sentences to read. So if you want it, you can put it in. I'm going to take it out. I want to change the font. I think I'll change it to primary 2. Show you how that looks. And let's say I want to make it a little bigger. That's pretty big. Let's try smaller. That looks pretty good to me. Okay, so it has the definitions in there. Obviously, we don't want the definitions if we're just putting in a phrase. So this is what you do. Tap on it. Okay. And just backspace, it's empty. Type in, say, I'll put a really simple phrase like a big codfish. Okay. Ask consent. In contact. Contest winner. Scary Glen. Check and infect. The line paired. Okay. So I was able to type over all of those definitions. So don't feel like, oh my gosh, I can't get rid of the definitions. No, you absolutely can. You just click on that box, backspace, they're gone. It's now a text box for you to type in whatever you'd like. Save it, preview, show you how it looks. And there it is. Okay. I really like this font. I use this font a lot in my resources that I make for Teachers Pay Teachers. So I wanted to make sure that you guys had access to this font when you were using the site. Okay. All right. So two different tricks in that part 3 video. My next video, I will be sure to talk about how to create using some of those game templates. Thank you.